press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, I hope you all are fine today. So let us begin, let us continue the exercise 12.2. Okay. Now the last 3 problems are remaining. I hope you all have practiced well. So we'll try to solve the last 3 problems, that is 11th, 12th and 13th problem in this class. Okay. Now whenever the figure is not given, the diagram is not given in your textbook, please try to draw the diagram. So it will be easy for you to apply the formula or the data given and everything. You can just you can you can do it in the diagram. Okay. So a car has 2 wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So when you are traveling in the car, you can suppose if the rain is coming, they will use this wipers, correct? So that driver can see the vision of the road clearly, correct? So for that they will use these 2 wipers will be there. So that the length of the blade is given. See, here you should try to imagine the wipers of the car, the blade, all those things, and when it is switched on, how it will cover the area. Suppose, see, like this, since it is 115, so you all know. So like this, it will be covering the 2 sides. So the 2 sides can be represented like this. Okay, see, like this, 2 sides. So it will be covering some area here, correct? Like this, it will be moving. So this side also, towards 2 blades will be there. So I hope you can just imagine this, and see, here they have given 115 degree and the length of the blade they have given it as 25 centimeter and 2 blades. So you have to find out the area of this sector and also this sector. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. So you try to find out the area of the sector. The sector will be formed here. So you have to find out the area of these 2 also. So if you find out the area of 1, you can multiply by 2 into 2. If you do, you will get the area covered by 2 blades also. Okay. Now let us try to solve this. So by writing the data first. Data, what is the data given? Sector angle, that is theta is equal to 115 degree, and the radius, that is length of the blade, is 25 centimeter. Understood? So here you can write length of the blade. Length of the blade is equal to 25 centimeter. That is nothing but radius. See, you can understand radius. Okay. Next, let us. So the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. The total area. So area covered. Or we shall write area clean. They have given the statement like that. Area clean at each sweep of the blades or of the blade. The area cleaned at each sweep of the blade is equal to area covered at each sweep means once when it when it cleans once, and by 2 means the 2 blades means here you can write by the 2, you can write by 2 blades, by the 2 blades. So 2 into area of sector, isn't it? 2 into area of sector. Why I am multiplying by 2? Because there are 2 blades. So total area they have asked you to find out. So now I will start here, so that therefore area of sector. So you all know the formula, area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. Now theta, how much? What is theta? 115. Here theta is 115 and 360 into pi. Here just see whether they have mentioned 3.14. No, they have not mentioned 3.14. So you can use 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 25 into 25. Okay, area of sector. So 2 into, when you want to do, you have to multiply this whole thing by 2. Later on we can do it. So first let us see whether we can do it. Area of the sector, or you better to write 2 into area of the sector. Therefore this whole thing will be multiplied by 2. So therefore whole thing will be multiplied by 2. Okay, it will be easy for us for calculation now. I hope you understood. Area cleaned at each sweep of the 2 blades will be 2 into area of sector, or you can write it as total area cleaned also. Next, 2 into area of sector will be given by theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula, into 2. So 115 is the sector angle, 22 by 7 is pi value, and r is radius. We have 25 into 25. Now you try to find out here. See, 5 2s are 10, 1 5 3s are 15, and here 5 7s are 35, 1 5 2s are 10. Okay. Then here 22 by 7 is there, here 2 is there. So let us try to 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. So I think we cannot simplify further. Okay. Now we have 23 into here I think we can do it, 2 1s are 2 18s are. Now we have, continue, 23, see this 23 into 11 into 25 into 25, 25 into 25. Okay, this 25 into 25 divided by 18. Okay, divided by 18. So I'll do the calculation here in this part. So I hope you understood the diagram. Now you all know 25 into 25 plus 23 into 11, we will find out 23, 3, 5, 2. So into 25 into 25, you all know square 625. So let us try to do this. See, 5 3s are 15, 1, 5 5s are 25, 26 2, 5 2s are 10, 11 12. Next, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 2s are 4, 5, 5. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 1, 2 2s are 4, 5. Next, 6 3s are 18, 1, 6 5s are 30, 31, 3, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. So total 5, 12, 1, 11, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15. So we got the answer 1, 5, 8, 1, 2, 5 divided by 18. 18. So you can leave it off like this only, or you can find out the decimal point also. But unit you have to write, that is centimeter square. So this is the answer. So finally what you have to write? Conclusion. Total area. Total area clean by two blades. Two blades of a car is 158,125 divided by 18 centimeter square. See, because centimeter, so centimeter square. 158,125 divided by 18. I hope you understood this. Okay. This you can leave it off like this, or you can find out the decimal form and you can keep the answer in the decimal form also. Okay. Now this is the 11th sum. It's simple sum, just area of the sector you need to find out. Next one, try to read the question and try to draw the diagram, and you have to imagine it. See, to warn ships, this is 12th one, to warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. See, here you have to use pi is equal to 3.14. So, to warn the ship, underwater rock, a lighthouse, to warn the ship, there will be near the, the road, the ships, to recognize the path. Actually the ships, they take the help of the lighthouse, you all know. So there, when the light spreads from the lighthouse, see, imagine it is a lighthouse here. When it spreads the light, so it lets some sector will be formed here. So you have to find out the area which the ships can identify their path. Okay. So just let us write, and they have given the sector angle, directly sector angle they have given, and also the radius of the sector also they have given. Okay. So data, what is the data given? Data is theta is equal to 80 degree and R is equal to 16.5 kilometer. So that is the radius of the sector, and here they are asking us to use pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. So now see, this is also a simple problem. Directly you can find out the area of the sector. So when the light rays, when it falls on the sea, so there the sector will be formed there. Okay, that area of the sector means which area the ship can see the path or the light. It can be, the ships can utilize that light. So you have to find out. So let us write here area. So let us write like this. So what is the question they have asked? The same thing we can keep here, the area of the sea over which the ships are won is equal to area of the sector. So it is nothing but area of the sector. So you have to show this, because directly instead of writing area of the sector and doing it, so better see the question, what question they have given in your textbook, and accordingly you can write the statement. Area of the sea over which the ships are warned is equal to area of the sector. So next directly you can write here, area of sector is equal to theta by 360 pi r square. This is the formula, and theta, of course it is 80 degree, 80 by 360 into pi. Pi here you have to use 3.14 into r, 16.5 into 16.5. So here you can see the decimal points here. So to avoid that, you can divide by this, you can divide by 100, this you can divide by 10, divide by 10. The calculation will be easy. So let us try to do it. Okay, first let us 2 4s are 8, 2 18s are, correct? 2 4s are 8, 2 18s are. Next 2 2s are 2 9s are. Okay, then 3 3s are, then here 3 5s are 15, 0.3 5s are 15. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 0.3 5s are 15. See, you can, now we have 2 into 3.14 into 5.5 into 5.5, correct? Okay, let us try to solve this. 2 into, see this 3.14 into 5.5 into 5.5. So here you can divide it. So you can do it like this also, 55 into 55 divided by, see here 2 zeros, okay, to remove this point 2 0 into 10 into 10. So this may make it little bit simple, okay. Now let us find out 55 into 55 first. So I will do the working here. 55 into 55, 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 5s are 25, 26, 27, 275, again 275. So this will become 12, 1, 8, 9, 10, 1, 3, 3025 into, see here, this I can multiply. I hope you can see that. You can see here, okay. See here, 314 into 2. So 314 into 2 will be 4 2s are 8, then 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay, we will multiply that. 3025 into 314. Okay, now let us, 8 5s are 40. I will try to write here this side. I hope you can see. 8 5s are 40, 4, 8 2s are 16, 20, 2, 8 zeros are 0, 2, 8 3s are 24. Okay, next from 2, 5 2s are 10, 1, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 zeros are 0, 2 3s are 6. Next 6 5s are 30, 3, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 1, 6 zeros are 0, 6 3s are 18, 0, 5 6 7 9 9 18. See here we got 99700 divided by, see here 1 2 3 4 zeros, correct, 1 2 3 4 zeros. So now easily you can put the decimal point. So 189.97, 189.97. Okay, this 00, what this is, we had taken, this was in kilometer, so kilometer square, so area covered is kilometer square. Okay, 189.97, you can stop there. Okay, finally the answer, conclusion you have to write. Therefore area of the sea, area of the sea over which the ships are warned, how much? Can write the answer, that is 189.97 kilometer square. Okay, so conclusion better write once again. So this is our 12th problem. Now the last one, 13th problem, we shall work out 13th problem. So this is also simple, but only thing is calculation is little bit lengthier, but the formula, direct formula you can put and calculate. Okay, only this multiplication and division is more here. Use the working column to do all the calculations. Okay, next problem. See here the figure is given there. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. See here they are asking you to use root 3 is equal to 1.7. See here one more additional step will be there here. First, see this is the table cover here, table cover which I have drawn for you, and the design covered is here. This is the design covered design. See for the table cover, this is the design. Okay, now so see here two things you should note. One is you have to find out the area of this design, but you should note here there are 6 designs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 designs. So for this what I will do, I have to draw the triangle see here, when you draw the diagram, see here it will be divided into 6 triangles, correct? and just observe only one part. See, this one, this part you observe. What is this? I hope you can rectify it. It's nothing but it's a sector, okay, and the design where it is, this is nothing but a segment. See, when you draw the triangle, then you can identify easily that this is a part of a sector. See here, this is a sector here and this is a segment. And of course, you have learnt in the previous sums how to find out the area of the segment here, this segment, by using the area of the sector. See, just concentrate only on this piece, only this part, okay. Now, how will you find out area of this shaded region? So, area of this shaded region will be equal to area of the sector minus area of this triangle. So, first point, you should note that, okay. This is nothing but the segment. Next, here you should see how many, what is the each sector angle here. Definitely you can find out. See, because you all know the center angle, it is nothing but how much? 360 degree, correct? So, 360 degree divided by 6. Number of triangles formed is 6. So, definitely it will be, each angle will be 60 degree. Okay, second point. Third point, what you have to note is, see, if you calculate the area of this segment, only this part, then you have to multiply by 6 to get the area of all these parts, correct? So, these are the three main steps in this problem. So, first one, you have to find out the sector angle. Second, you have to find out the area of the sector. Third, you have to multiply it by 6 because there are 6 parts here. So, these are the three major steps you have to follow in this problem, okay. Now, let us begin like this. First, let us write area of the okay, one more, fourth step also is there. Fourth step is you have to calculate the cost or the amount required to make the design at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. So, this is the last step, fourth step, okay. Now, almost all the concept which you have studied in this exercise is covered in this problem now, okay. So, you are finding the area of the sector, you are finding the area of the triangle, then you are finding the area of the segment, and also you are multiplying by 6 to find out the area of the design, and the last step is you are also finding the cost, okay. So, let us do stepwise. So, first let us write lines. Area of the design or area of the shaded part also you can write, or here as they have given area of the design is equal to 6 into area of segments. Area of the design is equal to 6 into area of the segments. Okay, I hope it is clear. The first step, area of the design. Design means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many segments are there? 6 segments are there, and you are going to find out the area of 6. So, 6 into area of segment. Next area of segment. Area of segment means you all know area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, area of segment is equal to area of segment. Okay, here area of the segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle, isn't it? So when you want to find out the area of the segment, what we will do? Area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So let us find out area of sector first. Area of sector. So first, before finding, I told you it will be 60 degree here. Okay. So area of the sector is equal to 3 theta by 360 pi r square. Theta is 60 degree by 360 into 22 by 7 into segment, that is how much? What is the radius? Radius is 28 centimeter. So 28 into 28. 6 6 are 36, 7 1s are 7 4s are 28, then 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay. Now 11 into, so 44 into 28. So I will work out here 44 into 28 divided by 3. So 11 into 4 into 28 divided by 3. Okay, 11 into 4 into 28 divided by 3. Now 8 4s are 32, 3 4s 32, 33, 34, 35, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 13, 1 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 2. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 2 divided by 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2 divided by 3. Now here, so I am going to divide this by 3. So here 3 4s are 12, then 3 1s are 3, then 2, then zeros are 3 zeros are 0, 2.0, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, again see 2 remainder, again 3 6 are 18. So we'll stop for 2 decimals point. So this will be 410.67 centimeter square. So 410.67 centimeter square. This is what? This is area of the sector. Area of the sector. Next we are going to find out the area of the triangle. So this I am going to write here 410.67 centimeters square. So because I am going to rub this. Now you will find out the area of the triangle. Then I told you, when you want to find out the area of triangle, I told you this will be in the previous problems you have done it. So one method is you can consider this as a equilateral triangle and directly by using root 3 by 4 into a square you can do. But before doing this you should just write in 1 or 2 steps that why this is equilateral triangle, because these two sides are equal, you all know, because this is how much, 28 centimeter and this side also is 28 centimeter. So when these two are equal, then we can these two angles will be equal, opposite angles will be equal, therefore we can consider this as a right angle equilateral triangle. Or I told you can do like this and draw a perpendicular and then prove that these two are similar, and this will be 30 degree, theta by 2, that is 30 degree and 30 degree, and finding the base and also height, you have to do that. Okay. Now I will do like this, root 3 by 4, 4 into a square is 28 into 28, 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So 28 into 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 5 is a 14, 196 root 3. So, and they have given for you to substitute the value of root 3 as 1.7. So, let us multiply this. I will try to multiply here. 196 into 1.7. 7 9s are 60, 7 7s are 49, 6 7s are 42, 4, 7 and 63, 63, 67, 6, 6, 7 ones are 7, 13, and here 6, 9, 1, 13, 1, 12, 13, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2. Okay, now your point, decimal point you have to put here. So this will be 333.2 centimeter square. So this is area of the triangle. Now next step, you all know what we have to do to find out the area of the segment. So 333, I am going to write this here. So it is here only, I can do it. Okay, now the next step, what you have to do, see here. Now area of the segment is equal to sector. Sector is how much? 410.67 minus, I have written here for you, minus 333.2. Okay. Now I will just put it here, 0.67 minus 333.20, 7, 4, here 10 minus 3 is 7, here also 10, 10 minus 3 is 7, 0, 77.47. Okay. Now 77.47. But to find out the area of the design, what you have to do? Area of the design, 6 into 77.47. Okay, 6 7s are 42, 4, 6. So you know why I am multiplying by 6? Because there are 6 designs. So I am multiplying by 6. So 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 4, 6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 2, 6 7s are 42, 43, 44, 4, 42, 46, 4, 6, 4. So point, decimal point here. So this is centimeter square. Now what is the next step? Now we got the area of the design. Now the last step, that is fourth step, what you have to do? You have to find out the amount. So the cost of, so let us find out the cost of making the design. Cost of making design is how much? Per centimeter square is how much? Rupees 0.35. Therefore, cost of making the design for 464.82 centimeter square is how much? You have to find out now. Okay. So let us find out here. We'll multiply. You can multiply like this, or you can divide this by, to remove the decimal point, divide by 100, divide by 100. That also okay. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 1, 5 8s are 40, 41, 4, 5 4s are 20, 22, 23, 24, 2, 5 6s are 30, 5 4s are 20. Okay, once again check, 5 2s are 10, 1, 5 8s are 40, 41 4, 5 4s are 20, 24 2, 5 6 are 30, 32 3, 5 4s are 20, 23. Next 3 2s are 6, these are 24 2, 4 3s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 19, 4 3s are 12, 13. Then 0. So you need not write here. 0, 7, 8, 8, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, 100 and so 1628870. Okay, now so you see the decimal point 4 digit here. So what is the amount? 162.8. You can write this much or 2 decimals. You can write it. Once again you check. I think I went wrong here. 6 I think. See here 0, 7, 8, 6, 12, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, 162.68. This much rupees. See here it was 6, it is 6. Sorry, it is 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. Now what is the amount? 162.68. That is the amount for to make the design. So there are 4 steps in this problem. So I think it was like a revision for us of the whole exercise, and I'll meet you in the next class with the next concept. Thank you.